Alright, so this is our last week here in LA, and we decided to come to downtown, kind of explore a little bit and see what's all down here. It's the last weekend we're here, so we decided to come downtown and visit the last bookstore. So we're about to head in there. We're probably going to do a couple other things today, but we're kind of just relaxing, exploring, and just kind of enjoying the day. Now we're here at the tar pits. I don't know how I got here, but there's some elephants dying over there. And all that tar, and you can see it bubbling up a little bit. Kind of crazy. We're just out exploring today, so somehow we ended up here.